Hi guys, I got a 2003 GMC Zero. Um, it's the one with the diesel engine, Duramax, and then I having issues with the blower motor, and then so I thought maybe the blower motor was bad. So bought this one. It doesn't look like the old one. And then so on the screen right here it says full speed, but this guy it's not working. So the easiest way to find out is plugging these and then with the tester, but I don't have one, so I'm gonna try to plug the new blower motor. So I just plug it in, it works. So I'm just gonna turn it off and unplug it. Here's the old one. And then we just have to turn it counterclockwise, but see this little thing right here, just pull it towards you and then turn. You can do it with one hand. So this is the old one. A little bit different, but it's supposed to work. The same. Just put it back where it was. That thing's supposed to lock. So it's locked in place. Just have to plug this in. see if it works. Working. Okay, that was it. So you just put this cover back and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.